Hello, I need help. Sure, how can I assist you? Can you assist me? Of course, what's the issue? I'm having an issue. What seems to be the problem? My internet is down. I'll check that for you. I can't log in. Let me help you with that. My order hasn't arrived. I'll track it for you. The product is defective. I'm sorry, we'll replace it. I need to reset my password. I can guide you through that. How do I update my account? I can help you with the update. Can I speak to a manager? Please hold, I'll transfer you. I want a refund. I'll process that for you. My service is interrupted. I'll look into it right away. How do I track my order? I can provide the tracking info. I'm having billing problems. Let me check your account. I need to change my address. I can update that for you. My package was damaged. We'll send a replacement. I can't make a payment. I'll assist you with that. I have a question about my bill. What's your question? How do I cancel my subscription? I can cancel it for you. Can you help me with this error? Please describe the error. My phone isn't working. Let's troubleshoot it. I need technical support. I'm here to help. How do I return an item? I'll send you the instructions. I need more information. What do you need to know? Can you check my account? Sure, let me look it up. I'm not satisfied with the service. I'm sorry to hear that. How can I help? I can't connect to the server. I'll check the server status. Can I get a replacement? Yes, we can arrange that. How long will the repair take? It should take a few days. I need to update my payment method. I can update that for you.